Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add rotate floating effect in image in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image and we are going to add rotate floating effect. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin and then in search plugin write premium add-ons for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and then refresh the page. So we already added image. Now you see advanced. So click on it and then you see layout. So scroll down. Now you see floating effect and then you see PA. PA mean premium add-ons for Elementor plugin. So this is add-on plugin we are using. Now click on it. Now you see enable floating effect. Now enable this option and then scroll down, you see motion style filter. Then you see rotate. Enable this option. Now you see rotate X, rotate Y. So you can set position according to your requirement. Now you can increase degree. Also you see rotate Z or duration, you can set according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.